morning, students. Today in this fifth lecture, fifth video of chapter 12, standard 7, SS, we will discuss long question answer as well as small question answer also. Long and small both, okay? Standard 7, SS, chapter number 12, lecture number 5th, okay? Give a brief introduction. Give a brief introduction of Brazil. My dear student, Brazil is one of the biggest country, okay, in South America, okay. Brasilia, its capital. And my dear student, which are the qualities, okay, characteristics, qualities of Brazil, okay. Everything I have written here. Give a brief introduction of Brazil. First point, okay. Brazil is a country located in the continent of South America. Brazil is a country located in the continent of South America. Second point, Brasilia is the capital of Brazil. So, capital of Brazil is Brasilia. Okay. Third point is about land area. In terms of area, Brazil is the biggest country. In terms of area, Brazil is the biggest country in southern hemisphere. And fifth in the world. Okay, once again, biggest country in southern hemisphere and fifth in the world. Okay, got it? Next point is it is so huge that it share means, okay, joint, okay. So it is so huge that it shares its border with every country, okay. Its border with every country of South America except Chile and Ecuador, okay. Got it? Next one, its length and width are almost same. Now main point is Portuguese ruled over Brazil. Which people? Portuguese people. They ruled over Brazil in olden times, and so Brazilians speak Portuguese language. Why they speak Portuguese language? Because in ancient time Portuguese they ruled over Brazil. Okay. Forest of Amazon and its vegetation are a wonder. Okay. Well-known python called anaconda python, okay, is found in Amazon. Next, majority of people live in East Brazil. They live in East Brazil, and among them 60% people live in rural areas, in village areas. Okay, most of the people they live in East Brazil, and among them 60% live in village areas, okay, rural areas. Next one, however, due to industrialization and urbanization, people move to urban areas. Okay, so this is a short note, we can say. Okay, it is also a short note. Okay, so give a brief introduction of Brazil. If I ask, write a short note on Brazil, same point you have to write down. First point is about in which continent it is located. It is located in South America. Then capital, which is its capital, and Brasilia. Third point is about in the term of area, biggest in southern hemisphere and fifth in the world. Okay. Next point is about border. Okay. So with how many? With how many countries it share its border? Okay, except Chile and Ecuador, it is not shared. Okay. Next one is length and width is the same. Okay, not exactly similar. Then after that, why the people they speak Portuguese language? Because the Portuguese people in ancient time they rule over Brazil. Okay. Next one is about vegetation. Okay, which forest is there? Amazon forest. Next one is speciality of that Amazon forest, that is python. Which python? Anaconda. Okay. So well known python called anaconda is found in Amazon. And next about people. Okay. So most of the people they live in eastern side, and among them 60% people live in rural areas. And last one is due to industrialization and urbanization, people move to urban areas. So these are the points. Okay, if it is asked, write a short note on Brazil, give a brief introduction about Brazil. Same. Okay, answer. Next one is small question answer. Next one is small one. Okay, which language is spoken? Which language is spoken in Argentina? My dear student, in a one thing I will tell you, in Brazil they speak Portuguese, while in Argentina people they speak Spanish language. Okay, so which language is spoken in Argentina? Answer: Spanish language. Spanish language is spoken in Argentina. Okay. Next one, which are the main rivers? Which are the main rivers of Europe? Which are the main rivers of Europe? I have written here the main rivers of Europe are Volga, Danube, Rhine, Don, Seine and Thames. Okay, once again I repeat, which are the main rivers of Europe? Answer: the main rivers of Europe are Volga, Danube, Rhine, Don, Seine and Thames. Dear student, my next question is write a short note. Write a short note on Russia. Write a short note on Russia. We have already learned about one short note, that is Brazil. Now Russia. Okay. Write a short note on Russia. First point. Russia is the biggest country. Russia is the biggest country of the world. First point. Russia is the biggest country of the world. Second point is about its capital. Which is the capital of Russia? Yeah, correct. Its capital is Moscow. Moscow is the capital of Russia. Okay. Third point. Russia is a country experiencing heavy cold. Why heavy cold? Because it is near to pole side. Okay. So Russia is a country experiencing heavy cold. Next one. Okay. Because of the coldness. Okay. Because of this cold, the rivers of Russia they freeze during the winter season. During winter season, the rivers of Russia they freeze. Fourth point, the rivers freeze during winter. During winter season they freeze. Okay. Next one. Hence, only 10% of the land. How much land? Only 10% of the land of Russia is suitable for agriculture. Okay, though it is the biggest country, okay, biggest country in the world, only 10% of the land is suitable for agriculture. Okay. Now what is happened? Though it's a 10%, still 50% of the population. On the contrary, 50% of the population of Russia is dependent on agriculture. How much land is suitable for agriculture? 10%. Now, population of Russia, how much? 50% of the population of Russia, they depend on agriculture. And how much land is suitable for agriculture? Only 10%. Okay? The main crop of Russia is wheat. The main crop of Russia is wheat. Got it? Next point. Russia produces 25% of the total wheat production of the world. Got it? Next one, write a short note on France. We have already learned Russia. Now we are going to learn about France. Okay? If you want, I can revise. Okay? Biggest country, capital, then cold, then freeze. Okay? Suitable for agriculture, and how much percentage of the people, and which is the main crop. Okay? And how much percentage of the wheat is produced in Russia. So these are the points. Okay. Next one is write a short note on France. Write a short note on France. France is the biggest. France is the biggest democratic country of Europe. Biggest democratic country of Europe. Which country? France. So first point is France is the biggest democratic country of Europe. Got it? Second point, it is hexagonal in shape. It is hexagonal in shape. Okay? So that you know. Third point is about its capital. The capital of France is Paris. Okay, when we consider about Paris, we know Eiffel Tower. Okay? So the capital of France is Paris. Next one, the highest peak of West Europe. The highest peak of West Europe, which is Mont Blanc, is located in France. Once again I repeat, the highest peak of West Europe. The highest peak of West Europe, that is called Mont Blanc. It is located in France. Okay. Next one, River Seine. River Seine is used as waterways. Which river? River Seine. Okay. Next one, France produces wheat, coal, iron, mineral oil, salt, and bauxite in abundance. Okay, plenty of plenty of things. Okay, which are they? Wheat, coal, iron, mineral oil, salt, bauxite in abundance. Got it? My dear student, next question is very important. Small question answer is there. Okay, just for your knowledge, I have written here. Through which countries does Danube River? Through which countries does Danube River flow? My dear student, this river flow almost from 10 countries of Europe. This river flows almost 10 countries of the Europe. Okay, I have not written all 10, but very few I have written. Through which countries does Danube River flow? Answer: Danube River flows. The river Danube flows through 10 countries. How many countries? 10 countries. And which are they? Germany, Austria, Hungary, Serbia, okay, Bulgaria, and Romania. Okay, got it? My dear student, copy down this thing in your notebook. Next time we will learn more. Thank you.